Hey guys, so this is something that I've been trying to put off unboxing because I am so scared that I might actually fall in love with it, and as you can tell by this and this, you know that it's an Apple product, and of course by the title you know that this is an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6. I'm so freaking excited to unbox this. Okay, let's start. Okay. Apple made it easy to rip this apart without a scissors or an unboxing knife. Can you just enjoy and see and look at this beautiful thing? Oh, okay. Get off! Stop my hand. Get off. Wow, what? I mean, what? The whole thing is red. Gosh, okay, what? Okay, this is the Apple Watch Series 6 product red. So on Apple's website, I could only choose the red color watch bands to pair with the red Apple Watch. So I actually got myself this black colored Braided Solo Loop. Yep, and I'm really excited to try it out, and I hope, fingers crossed, that it fits. But yeah, for now we're gonna open this. We're just gonna open this, okay? Guys, I am not chill. So it's not. Ooh. What? Oh my gosh, it's like all wrapped in red. It's like red. It's like in your face red. Ah, okay. Wow, this is red as well. Look at this tiny little blob of thing before I rip it apart. I would so tear it apart, but this feels too nice to tear. So I'm just gonna push it out nicely like the nice person that I am. Oh my gosh, the red is so deliciously beautiful. Are you sure like you're aluminum? You feel so freaking premium. I chose to go with the product red instead of the new blue color because red is one of my favorite colors. I mean, blue is as well, as you can tell from the wall, but red is so pretty. Oh, Apple products always feel so premium. What else is in the box? This. Ooh, okay, the cable. And the thing is, I have that already, so that's okay. And this year, what's interesting is that it doesn't come with a power brick for the Apple Watch to charge with. So it just comes with the cable, the Apple Watch, and the box. The box has significantly reduced in size because they don't have to include the charging brick. And this may not be a popular opinion, but I'm really okay with that because I already own an Apple Watch, so I do have the charging brick. This is the year that Apple is deciding to remove the charging brick, and it is rumored that the next iPhone 12, will not include a charging brick. It's not a very good look on Apple's part for new Apple users. It's gonna be like, hey, welcome to the Apple fam. Here's the charging cable, the watch, and there's no charging brick because we're trying to save the environment. And yeah, I would think that new Apple users would probably be kind of pissed at the lack of charging brick. Anyway, moving on. Let's leave this in the box and check out the watch band. I really like the color, and that's why I went with, I chose this to go with the red, product red, everything product red. Is red on red too much red? Apple seems to think it's okay because that's all they offer. The nylon bands are actually one of my favorite bands because it just fits really nicely around your wrist. Wow! That just flew out. Wow, what? Red on red is actually pretty nice. I like it. It's like a style, you know? Oh, and it's powering up. I just powered it up. Very nice. Wow! I just think I can pull off red. Okay, guys. Okay, now we're gonna open the Solo Braided Loop, the one that everyone has been complaining about because they chose a size and it didn't fit them and they had to return the entire set of the Apple Watch. Okay. Oh my gosh, this looks so small. I don't think it can fit my wrist. Oh my gosh, why is this too tight? In my previous video, I actually measured my wrist. Size 4 is supposed to be a good fit for me because I did read somewhere that the blood oxygen monitor wouldn't work that well if your watch band is too loose. It has to be pretty tight on your wrist. So we're gonna put this on and hope that size 4 fits. If not, screw you, Apple. Nah, I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Like, can you even fit my wrist? And you said it's fine. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, it's tight. Oh no, it's not that bad. It fits. Oh, and it's kind of loose. Did I? Ow! Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm already in love with it. I thought I wouldn't love you, but I love you. What? Okay, red and black is seriously one of my favorite colors. Okay. Oh, calm down. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Okay, Mindy, calm down. I thought I wouldn't love you, but I do. Okay guys, I have finally set up this watch and we're gonna test out the blood O2 measurement. The blood oxygen app is a new app and you can find it here. It has a little blue and red little thing there. Here are some tips that can help you take a good measurement. Make sure your watch is not too bent, should be snug but comfortable. Keep your watch facing up and try not to move. Resting your wrist on the table can help. So resting, okay. It's going to take 15 seconds, 12, 11, try not to move, 6, 5, 4, 3, oh my gosh, I love the little animation there. Wow. Unsuccessful? What? Blood oxygen could not be measured. This can be caused by too loose. Dude, too low. Dude, what? People, calm down. Yes, it's loose, but like how tight do you want it to be? Okay, I'm just gonna press this down on my wrist. Snug. Okay, let's try. 15, 14, 13, 3, 2, 1. 97%! Okay, that was because like I pressed the watch to my wrist so that it feels snug. But I'm gonna test out using this new watch strap because I can adjust it to be tighter on my wrist so that I feel press it down. You were supposed to be snug. I mean, even though that it was like kind of loose, but it was snug enough for me at least. This is like really tight now, right? I hope that you would at least, ooh, it's freaking tight. 15? Ooh, okay, well, 97% again, yay! That's good, that's pretty good. So majority of people have blood oxygen level of 95 to 99% and mine is 97%, so I guess I'm pretty average and normal and I'm kind of healthy, I hope. Some people live a normal life with blood oxygen levels below 95%, so even though it's below 95%, it's okay. I mean, if you feel like something's wrong with your body, I don't think you should use this blood oxygen app to gauge how well you are. Just see a doctor. I mean, Apple also says that the measurements taken with the blood oxygen app are not intended for medical use and are only designed for general fitness and wellness purposes. So, I mean, it's another metric to see how well you are in your life, but it doesn't mean everything. But I can't deny that it was really fun to test out my blood oxygen level. Yeah, okay. Honestly, I think that the 5 and the 6 has very minimal increase and upgrades. It's not a massive leap, it's not a big upgrade unlike the Series 3 to the Series 4. That was a big upgrade. I'm interested in seeing how the Series 6 compares with the Series 5 in my everyday use. I suspect that there may not be much of a difference and it may not be worth upgrading to, but we'll see, and I'll be making that review really soon. On another note, I really like this Braided Solo Loop. I mean, it is freaking expensive, but when I first saw Apple launch the Solo Loops, I was like, who in their right mind would actually get this, because you can't adjust the size. So like, what if you want to have like an off day where you wear the wristband super loosely? But I mean, after putting this on, okay, you know what, I'm gonna put it on. After wearing this for like the past hour, I would understand if you like it as well, because I freaking love it, and the black and the red just go so well together. And oh my gosh, the braided feels like Christmas. feels like a knitwear that a grandma would knit for you, or like some kind of scarf that is knitted around your neck. It has a very homey feels, and when it's on my wrist, I just feel like at home. It feels so comfortable, although it would not be fun if this got wet. I don't know, it just makes me very at ease wearing this. It just brings me like a holiday vibes. But note, this is not cheap. The Braided Solo Loop cost me about $150. Ouch! There were so many concerns with the Solo Loop because it's not adjustable and you're supposed to measure your size by yourself with a printout, which wasn't accurate at all according to a lot of people on the internet. But lucky me, I didn't want to print anything out, so I used a measuring tape to measure my wrist, and that was more accurate. It feels nice and like it doesn't move that much, and it's a really nice fit. I like it. But yeah, that's it for today. This is it for the unboxing. Stay tuned for the review that's coming out really soon. Let me know what questions you have about the Series 6 and I'll try to answer them in the next video or in the comments below. But I'll see you guys really soon. Stay maintained cherry. Goodbye.